Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, and I have leftover paints from yesterday and colors that I love. I think there might even be some white enamel in there. Oh, it's time to mix some more neon purple from folk art that's all surface. So I'm just going to make more of a dirty pour in this cup instead of a ring pour. I'm going to put the colors I want in there. I'm going to use some Venetian blue. That was 24 karat gold from Deco Art Americana. This is the Venetian blue from Modern Masters. This is clogged. Let me find another one that's not clogged. I'll just use it anyway. I'm going to mix some really bizarre colors, or some beautiful colors, I guess you could say. Okay, that's pretending to be open, but not open enough for me to use it. I have tweezers. There we go. That might help. Oh, I just found a little more paint sitting there ready to get used. Oh, come on. I guess I'm just going to pour it in there. Right through the center and leave that open so I can unplug it. Not that I think I'm going to need any more of that right now. Okay, so I want some white metallic from Anita's. That's right there. And whatever I can get to come out. There's my purple flash from Folk Art. That's a color shift. And I really like this light blue I made that has iridescent pearl medium in it. Actually, you know what? That's not true. It has Sargent's pearl and Anita's metallic. And I'm going to be really, really weird now. Ha! Put my orange in there. And its companion colors. This is going to be a strange pour. There's probably more color than I can use here, but maybe not. We'll see what happens. So this is my idea. If I put just enough paint down on the center, actually I didn't even want it in the center. I wanted it to be off center. But I want it to be spread out enough so I can flip my canvas over. I want to, this is really weird, I promise you it's strange. I want to do a flip funnel. I'm not sure I can, I've never tried before. How about we put a little bit of that black in there. My finger is over the hole. I'm planning on floating this on some black. I'd kind of like some gold too, actually. I'm going to release that. And I think I'm going to indulge myself. My risk-taking self, am I? No? No? Okay. Just going to spin that funnel right around. No idea how this is going to turn out. Still spinning. Put that down on my Lolify silicone mat. Take the residual off my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula that you can find on the Amazon link. Those look like nice colors. I think I'm going to grab, if I have one, a Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula mini blade. That's a number 1. They are also on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is under the link tree. And I don't know what's going to happen, but I'm not going to waste that paint in that cup. So there are always alternatives. You can always squeeze bottle or pour paint right on top of other paint. You can add a chain. You can do all kinds of stuff. Even a basting brush works. So there. And I know that I want an edge catcher. Even if I'm not going to stop paint from flowing off my canvas, an edge catcher allows me a place to let my paint land so that, oh, you know what? There's the torching part. I keep forgetting that. Just look at those beautiful cells. And we can just stretch those right out. I may even lose all of that extra paint. It's hard to say. It looks like I could actually put some more paint on there, which is not going to hurt my feelings a bit. Because paint will flow to paint. And this paint that's flowing over that black will probably just completely consume it. We've got really nice colors and really excellent cells. And a super flow of paint going right to that edge, which is not hurting my feelings a bit. There's a very good chance. I use GAC 800 by Golden in all my paint mixtures, and even when I use the recipe that you can find below the video, when I could get my hands on decor pouring medium, I used 20% GAC 800 in my mixtures. Right now I can't get decor pouring medium, so right now I'm using 25% GAC and 75% Floetrol and adding my paint, or adding that to my paint. So I don't really want to lose any colors yet. I don't mind a little going over. I'm going to rock that edge, and I'm going to use that black that's there because I'm pretty sure I can get it to come right back on and stretch those cells out. And I've got great cell action. And I think I'm just going to keep... I want a bottle that's not huge with a flopping with a flopping lid. So I'm just going to give myself something else right there, because I like the black for a negative space. I'm going to turn that around so I can use it where the heavy part is and just use the painted part. I'm going to rock that quickly, scrape it off and put it right back in, throw my finger in the gap. I've got more gaps over here, but I suspect I will have plenty of paint left. So the paint is mostly down here at the bottom, and I don't want to lose any of that color, so I'm going to do the same exact thing again. Stick my finger in the gap, and that gap. And this is fantastic. I'm loving this. As far as accidental art goes, I am a happy girl right now. So a nice thin bead where it needs to be thin and thicker. I think that might even be some Anita's black metallic, but since it's mostly just facilitating things flowing off, I don't think I need to worry about it at all. I do want to scrape up some of my residuals. Let go. I'm not being coordinated right at the second, but I got myself a little tiny desk, a riser at a local junk store or church salvage shop or whatever you want to call it. Oh boy, I really want to keep my cells and my colors. I'm going to have to stick a finger in this side. I have to let that paint go back. You know what? I like all that. And I've got it in my hand now. I don't want to lose any of that. And I'm going to use all of that just wound up in my hand and rinse my hand off. So that's sort of what I'm calling a reverse funnel pour, and that is my black enamel, and this is my other black, and let's give that a try again. Maybe a little more paint will help paint flow more. That makes sense to me. I really don't want to lose that orange. I like it a lot. I should have just filled right in with a spatula or something, but I guess I'm willing to take a chance. I'm going to rock that. If I really want more black back there, I guess I could add it. I'm getting it back. That's so cool. I'm going to use any of the paint that's right on my tile. I kind of thought I wanted to come over there. I just lost my edge catcher. There we go. It's back again. I'm going to let that paint go over here. Just use my finger. I'm making a mess. It's okay. It's really, really good. It's a good mess. And I am mostly covered. This is my last painting of the day, and the cells are absolutely making me so happy. What I think I'm going to do is take my edge catcher off, look for cottage cheese lid. Maybe I've got another one. Yep. I got a few more. Raise that up and just take the paint. I'm going to use my last OXO omelet turning spatula. Okay, well, I got a little color in there. I wasn't expecting that, but I will live with it. And because of the Floetrol, which levels paint, that's why painters use it. It's a leveling agent. I don't need to worry about the heavy paint. From the GAC will keep it from cracking, and the Floetrol will help level it out. And I want to tell you guys I love you very much, and this is spectacular. Wow! I see the only thing I really want to play with is this. And everything else, I feel a hair. We'll have one little spiral in there, and that is okay with me. Okay, one is never enough. Somebody's like, no, you're not. I know you. I want to tip that. I want to blow it a little bit. Maybe a few tendrils. So I do sell my artwork, and you can find my email address below the link tree. The link tree has Pinterest, Instagram, and Twitter links, as well as my website, Fine Art America, pixels.com. Below the video are Teespring clothing with my designs on them, and all over print leggings and t-shirts, and blankets, and throws, and tapestries, and you name it, it's all there. I'll tell you what, I may have to do the funnel thing again at some point in time, because this is just stellar. Make sure all my canvas is covered right there. Try not to leave the torch on anything I would be worried about. And this is wonderful cells without silicone, just absolutely tremendous. Some leftover paint. I want to tell you guys I appreciate you sharing my videos. I really appreciate you giving me a thumbs up. I appreciate most of all you watching them when the notifications are given out, because that really helps my standing on YouTube. I love you guys. I really, 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 really love you guys leaving me wonderful comments. You make my day. And what else? Ha! I have over 1,500 videos, and they are findable on my created playlists, on my playlists. And they are organized by genre and by the 100, by topic. and you can find whatever you want there. And if you can't find it, ask me and I'll help you. And if you have questions, ask me and I'll help you. And I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you're interested in helping me continue on making more videos, please by all means look for PayPal or Patreon underneath the video on my channel header or underneath the link on the link tree. Should you happen to make a contribution through PayPal or Patreon, I will send you an automatic entry into each month has a drawing, and you can see what's being offered to the winner of the drawing on the end screen video. That's an exhibition video. That's a strange little thing. I don't want to go too far outside I don't want to ruin what's here because it's so perfect already. Alright, so I love you guys dearly, and I will see you anon. Take care of each other, take care of yourselves, and if I can see anything from where I'm at, yeah, look for Fans and Collectors. Look for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery on Facebook, and you'll find Fans and Collectors is for people looking for the edited wet and dry artworks from YouTube and the albums there. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation is for students, and you will find tomorrow's video there often. If you look on my community board on my YouTube channel, you'll find tomorrow's video often, sometimes the night before. And I have books. Volume 1 and Volume 2 are, the first one is called Because I Can, and the second one is called Unlimited Possibilities. I love you guys, I love you guys, I love you guys. I will see you anon. Let me zoom in a little bit. Those cells are to die for. I wonder if I can move my camera. I can move my camera a little bit. Cool. I bought a new camera mount just for you guys. That's as far as I can go. I will see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.